In this tutorial, we will be displaying feedback to participants using the feedback component. First, let's preview the task to see this in action. In this task, participants must click on one of the two response options. A response of A is always correct, whereas a response of B is always incorrect. To see how this has been set up, let's look at screen 1 of the trial display. Here, we have two text components with click responses. These emit a response of A or B when clicked. A scorer component has been added to the Screen tab to determine which response will be marked as correct. In this task, A is always correct, so A is typed directly into the score component. In many cases, the correct answer will change on each trial. You can change the correct answer on a trial-by-trial basis by binding the scorer to the spreadsheet. There is some more information on how to do this in our scoring tutorial. Finally, to provide feedback when an option is clicked, a feedback component has been added to the screen. Within the feedback component, you can define how long the feedback should be visible for. By default, a green tick is displayed for correct responses and a red cross for incorrect responses. You can change this by toggling on the Use Images setting and uploading your own feedback images.